Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Allie and I'm the hands behind the turtle trunk. If you're looking for some new pattern ideas, in today's video, I'll be sharing some crochet projects I think would be perfect to make in March. I'm making one of these videos for each month of this year, so I've already made one for January and February, so if you hadn't checked those videos out yet, be sure to go watch them because really any of these patterns can be made any time of year. All the patterns I share today are my own crochet patterns. You can find the free written patterns on my blog, theturtletrunk.com, or video tutorials here on my YouTube channel. To make it super easy for you to find and follow along with these patterns, I've put all of them together in a blog post and also a YouTube playlist. So I'll link to those down below so you can follow along with them. So this month we have the first day of spring. We also have St. Patrick's Day. Now I don't have any patterns specific for St. Patrick's Day, but really you can make anything in green if you want it for St. Patrick's Day. Today's list is more inspired by spring. So we have home decor, blankets, wearables and accessories, even some cute cuddly stuffies. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's move on to our list. And here are 10 crochet patterns I think you should make in March. I'm going to start off the list with a new crochet pattern I just released, and it is my checkered heart blanket. Now, if you watched my what to make in February video, you'll recognize this pattern because I was in the middle of making it last month, but then I ran out of yarn. I had to wait for more to get delivered, which took a long time. So I wasn't able to release this last month like I wanted to. So it just got released last week on March 1st. So I'm adding it to this list because why not? I love this blanket. It is super cozy and soft, and I think it's also just really fun and cool. You can make it in any colors you want. I used 4 colors for mine, but you can use as many as you'd like. Each square is made individually, then joined together with an invisible join, then a border all around the outside, and voila! Each square is 10 by 10 inches. I made 20 squares and placed them 4 across and 5 down for a 40 by 50 inch blanket, but you can make less squares for a smaller blanket. I've had lots of people tell me that they want to make a 3 by 3 blanket for a baby blanket, and I think that is such a cute and great idea. You can even make more squares if you want a larger blanket. This pattern is really versatile. It's also really easy. All the squares use just a half double crochet stitch and the border is just single crochets. Second on the list is the Hello Sunshine coaster. This crochet coaster pattern works up quick and easy, and each coaster only uses about 24 yards of yarn. You can make just one or make a set. They're perfect for using in your own home, giving as gifts, or even selling at spring and summer craft markets. The Hello Sunshine coaster features a fun texture using front post stitches to create ridges that mimic sun rays. This pattern comes with 2 different border options, so you can use this fringe border or a pointed border. Next on the list is the Hello Sunshine placemat. This is just a larger version of the coaster, so you can make a fun Hello Sunshine set if you'd like. Each placemat uses about 115 yards of yarn, and again, you can add a fringe border or a pointed border. These are such a fun way to spruce up your spring and summer table settings, and if you're a plant lover, then you can even use these as plant mats too. Speaking of plants, let's check out number 4 on our list, the Easy Plant Hanger. This pattern uses t-shirt yarn to create this easy and cute plant hanger. This is a fun way to display your plants either inside or on your patio or porch. I think it would also make a great gift idea. Maybe for a housewarming gift, you can make this and give a plant to go with it. I use t-shirt yarn from Knits and Pearls. I'll leave a link to her shop down below if you want to check it out. This yarn looks super nice and it's also durable and strong. You can use any super bulky 6-weight yarn you'd like though. If you're looking for more home decor patterns, then you have to check out number 5 on our list, the Brecon basket. This crochet basket is perfect for holding small yarn balls, knickknacks, your unfinished projects, or really anything you can think of. It looks beautiful on display and it's about 10 by 10 inches. I used 2 strands of bulky 5-weight yarn held together to make this basket really sturdy so there's no slouching or caving in. I designed this pattern for Clover USA, so you'll find the free pattern on their website, not mine, but I'll link to it in the description box, but you can find the video tutorial here on my YouTube channel. Moving on to some wearables and accessories, we have number 6 on our list, the Fade Away Shawl. This is a really nice and light shawl, perfect for warmer weather. It's also really easy to make if you've never made a shawl before. I used Lion brand yarn Ombre Life, which is unfortunately discontinued now, but you can use any fine two-way yarn. You can also use a thicker yarn to make a thicker and larger shawl too if you'd like. This shawl can be dressed up or down, and you can continue repeating the rows to make it any size that you'd like. At number 7, we have the Picot bandana. This bandana can be worn any time of year, but I really love it for the spring or the fall when the weather is really comfortable. This pattern features my favorite stitch, the Picot single crochet stitch, which has this fun bumpy texture. This bandana also includes multiple sizes for babies, kids, and adults, so you can make one for anyone. I've also seen lots of people make these for their dogs, so they make them and then tie them around the dog's neck, which is super cute. I mean, you can even wear it like that too. I think that is really cute too. So I love this pattern. It is one of my most popular patterns in the spring, summer, and fall, so be sure to check this one out. At number 8, we have another Picot pattern, and it's the Picot blanket. The Picot blanket has the same amazing textures as the bandana. It also includes lots of sizes. I love this pattern for a baby blanket. The textures are fun for kids to touch. It also just looks really beautiful. You can make it in any color or colors. It's a really fun pattern to make too because there's different stitches so it doesn't get boring while you're making it. Another blanket pattern I think would be great to make this month is the BB baby blanket. This is my go-to baby shower gift. I have made this blanket so many times for friends and family's newborns. This pattern works up fast, so if you need a last-minute baby shower gift, this is it. You can make it in any colors to match nursery decors or themes. It's just double crochet stitches in this chevron design, so it's easy but still looks fun and cute. You can also make it bigger if you want, so it doesn't have to be a baby blanket if you'd like it to be a larger size. And finally, at number 10, I'm putting two together because they're similar. We have our lemon and lime cuddlers. These are big, squishy, and cuddly stuffies made with Bernat blanket yarn, so they are super soft. I added little faces to mine, but you don't have to if you don't want. The lime is about 10 inches wide and the lemon is about 16 inches wide, and you can swap the colors too if you want to make a bigger lime or a smaller lemon. These are really fun and cute patterns, especially for spring and summer. I made these for my daughter about 4 years ago and she still loves them and plays with them. The lemon is the perfect size for a pillow and they're both just so squishable and comforting. I love these patterns. They're so cute and fun. I hope this video inspires you this month and gives you some ideas on what you can make. I'd love to hear what you plan on making this month, or if you've already started on something, let me know what you're working on. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.